Good job. 3 sides. And how many vertices? Now, vertex is the singular word. So, vertex here is singular. Vertices is a plural word. Okay? So, you should know this. Okay? Now, how many vertices? Let's count. This is the first vertex. 1, 2, 3. Whenever two sides meet each other at the corner, we call here, this is a vertex. Okay? Now, so the triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices. Now, let's see the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. The quadrilateral means any shape that has 4 sides. Let's see. A square is considered a quadrilateral. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 4 sides. And how many vertices? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 vertices. Now the pentagon. The pentagon means a shape that has how many sides? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, how many sides? 5 sides. How many vertices? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a vertices because here we have one side that is meeting the other. So here, this one. I will erase it so you can see it clearly. This one here. This one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5 vertices. What about the hexagon? The hexagon means how many sides? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hexagons are shapes that has how many sides? 6 sides. How many vertices? Let's count together. Whenever 2 sides meet, there is a vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this. This is 6, okay? Whenever 2 sides meet, we have a vertex. So the number of vertices here is 6. Now let's move to the share and show part. Here, this is a triangle. Okay? Now tri means 3. 3 sides, 3 vertices. And we can see it easily here. We have 1, 2, 3. So we have how many sides? 3 sides. Excellent. What about the vertices? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 vertices. What about the hexagon? Let's count how many sides. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 6 sides. How many vertices? Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 6 vertices. Now what about the pentagon? Let's count together the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have how many sides? We have 5 sides. What about the vertices? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. As I told you, whenever two sides meet, they meet, and they form the vertex. So here we have 5 vertices. Now, let's move to the next page. Page 725. As you can see, this lesson is so easy. You just count the sides and the vertices, and by the time you can figure out that triangles always have 3 sides and 3 vertices. For the pentagons, always 5 sides and 5 vertices. For the quadrilateral, 4 sides and 4 vertices. So you can easily identify the number of sides and vertices of any shape. So now let's practice more. Use the number of sides and the number of vertices. Then write the name of the shape. Now we have here a box here where the word pentagon, triangle, hexagon, and quadrilateral. Okay? And we need to identify the number of sides and vertices of each shape here in all those shapes. And depending on the number of the sides and the number of the vertices, we are going to determine which shape of those we should write. And what is this shape, okay? Now let's rate this all so we can start answering. Okay. Now, number 4. What is this shape? Let's count the sides first. You can identify and know the name of the shape when you know the number of the sides and the vertices. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have 6 sides. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 6 vertices. Now, what is the name of the shape that has 6 sides and 6 vertices? Do we call it triangle? Do we call it quadrilateral? No, we don't call it like this. Do we call it pentagon? No, we don't. We call it hexagon. Okay? So this is hexagon, okay? Now, let's move to question number 5. Okay, now let's count how many sides do we have here.